स्टॉप स्क्रोलिंग अगर आपको लगता है हेल्दी पास्ता मतलब बोरिंग पास्ता। तो आज का वीडियो आपकी सारी गलतफहमियां दूर करने वाला है। दिस बोल इज लोडेड विद फ्लेवर्स एंड लुक्स लाइक समथिंग दैट वुड कॉस्ट अ स्मॉल फॉर्च्यून इन अ फैंसी कैफे, बट टुडे वी आर मेकिंग इट right in our kitchen. When a brand sends me healthy foxtail fusilli pasta to try, you already know I'm giving it a full Devika treatment. Pasta is made with foxtail millet, has plant protein, high fiber, a low GI formula, and it's gluten-free too. Basically, this pasta has worked on its fitness goal more seriously than most of us. We are making Italian pesto fusilli. Simple ingredients, restaurant-style results, and zero need to pretend you're a professional Italian chef. Let's start with the star of this recipe, the pesto sauce. Into a grinder goes pine nuts. Next goes Parmesan cheese. Then add some garlic cloves. Before adding the basil leaves, let's grind these ingredients once. This helps everything break down properly and gives us a smoother sauce later. If pine nuts are not easily available, you can use walnuts or soaked almonds too. Now comes the fresh basil. And honestly, when it comes to basil, I have only one rule. If you think you have added enough, add a little more. Freshness, color and flavor can never be too much here. Now pour in extra virgin olive oil and please no water. बिल्कुल भी नहीं। वाटर और पेस्टो की फ्रेंडशिप उतनी ही सक्सेसफुल है जितनी मंडे मॉर्निंग और हैप्पीनेस की। अवॉइड ओवर ग्राइंडिंग एज इट कैन अफेक्ट द वाइब्रेंट कलर ऑफ द पेस्टो। सो pulse gently and stop once you get this consistency. Moving on, time to cook our fusilli. Let's open the pasta packet and get cooking. First, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous amount of salt. And yes, pasta water should be properly seasoned. अगर पानी में नमक कम होगा तो पास्ता अंदर से बिल्कुल ब्लैंड लगेगा. Once the water is bubbling nicely, in goes our fusilli. Give it a quick stir initially so that the pasta doesn't stick together. While the pasta cooks, you'll notice the fusilli slowly becoming plump and tender. We are aiming at 80% cooked pasta and not overcooking it because it will finish cooking later in the pan with the pesto sauce. Strain the pasta once ready and save a small bowl of this pasta water. You can use it if your pasta feels dry later. Now let's check our fusilli. See that? Perfectly cooked. Soft from the outside, cooked through but still holding its shape beautifully. Separate, fluffy and non-sticky. Exactly how pasta should be. And now for the fun part, heat some olive oil in a pan. Add whole cherry tomatoes. We are going to pan fry them till they are lightly charred and slightly soft. These tomatoes are basically having the same glow up moment we all hope for after buying expensive skincare. Once the tomatoes soften, add the boiled fusilli. Now add that gorgeous pesto sauce. Season with salt and black pepper powder and gently mix everything together. Don't rush this step. Give every piece of pasta a nice coating. At this point, if the pasta feels slightly dry, you can add a splash of the reserved pasta water. By the way, if you're enjoying this recipe and my kitchen experiments, don't forget to like this video. Share it with that one friend who orders pasta every weekend but still says मैं घर पे नहीं बना सकता. And if you are new here, subscribe to Culinary Heritage by Devika. यहाँ हम simple ingredients को delicious recipes में convert करते हैं without making life complicated. To finish, grate some fresh Parmesan cheese over the pasta and that's it. Our Italian pesto fusilli is ready. Just look at that. Fresh basil pesto clinging to every spiral, juicy blistered tomatoes, parmesan on top. This is the kind of pasta that makes you close your eyes after the first bite and immediately feel proud of yourself. Eato Vito has a range of healthier pasta variants available on Amazon as well. So if you are trying to make better food choices without sacrificing taste, this is definitely worth checking out. Also, some of the products used in this recipe are linked in the description box below. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until the next delicious adventure, stay hungry, stay happy, and keep creating memories one recipe at a time.